Wow, okay, so we have a blizzard happening outside. We were out of groceries, and normally no big deal, but there's a blizzard happening, so we went to Aldi's, and it's just, there's so much snow. I'll show you guys, it's crazy. See, there's just snow everywhere. We've only been in Aldi's for 30 minutes, and we come out and everything's covered. It's all covered, isn't it? It's a blizzard outside. It's insane.
Yeah. Whoa.
Ooh! There we go. See, look at all that snow. This really wasn't like this 30 minutes ago. And now it's everywhere. But is it bad that I still want Starbucks?
Yeah.
I don't want to.
I know. Look at that.
You guys finish this with me off right now.
Okay, we'll go back home and drop you off.
You're funny, Micah. There's lots of snow outside, huh?
I don't have any gloves in here.
I don't have any gloves either.
Wish I bring my winter gloves.
None of us brought gloves. What the heck?
We're the most unprepared family.
Well, usually when we need our gloves, we can't find them anyway because they're like the socks that get lost in the washing machine.
Yeah. All right, here we go.
The chests are lost. Right when we don't see big fat chuts. Big fat chuts. Big fat chut.
You're funny. Yep,
Big
that
fat
is.
chut.
Green arrow.
Big fat chut. Big fat chut. Big fat chut. Big fat chut. Yeah, of a big fat chut, they made it, but of a big chut did not make it.
So I go in Starbucks and I'm like, tell me about the new molten lava latte, and he's like, yeah, you definitely don't want it. So I was glad for his honest opinion, because there's nothing worse than paying like $5 for a cup of coffee and then you don't like it or it tastes gross or whatever. So, you know, thanks Tim, appreciate the honesty. I got my traditional caramel macchiato, so nothing too exciting, but yeah, probably not.
Chelsea just ratted him out to the whole world.
Hey, customer service is important, so if I could rate him, I'd say there was a 5-star there. Micah got Kroger stickers. Oh, are you sleepy? Aw. Well, we definitely have lots of snow happening, but tomorrow's a holiday for the kids anyway, so if we get snowed in, it's not that big of a deal. Since they were already going to be off school. So now we get to go home and get it all inside and stay warm in the house for the rest of the day. Doesn't sound too bad, right? I mean, look how pretty it all looks. It's just pretty. I like it. I'm not really a fan of,
Crappy windshield.
yeah, the windshield wipers. We should fix that.
I wanted to. I wanted to back out in that street.
I know. Maybe later on in the week you'll fix it.
Yeah.
And my shoes are for wet stuff. My shoes are not made for my socks yet, but my shoes are safe. So,
Our house looks pretty with all the snow.
well, with that Ellen's new door.
Yeah, it's covered.
Yeah. Why you moved in it? Those shoes did. Our snowbots did.
So bye.
It's an awful genius. We know that. Genius can wander off and get lost now. And the genius also writes poetry and paints beautiful pictures. And that's been through the years. For it all, for Dr. St. Down the hill. Yeah. For the one they're all just trying to pay his style. So just that one picture. Like a 2011 for the Travis. It's difficult to land this just on the front edge to do it. Close to the whole location just that long. So see where it's like the famous on the golf course. Instead of Freddie, this is the range.
Snow igloo slide. Oh boy.
Yeah. If those guys wait, those brown things they add. Those brown things would work perfect.
Mm-hmm. Well, a couple of them still have theirs, I think. What's Jesse doing? Uh-oh. That's funny. I can't even see Jesse. He's laying on the snow too. The minute Orville's just laying down. Oh, there's no one. They're funny. I think it's on top of nowhere, like he's underneath it. Oh, buddy. He's so cute. He just can't get enough loving. Oh, he's a good boy. He's like, well, the boys aren't here, so I need somebody to give me hugs and kisses. Huh. Pretty boy. Oh, hey, George. Hey, kitty cat. What are you doing, mister? You have something tickle in your ears. Whoa. What is it?
He's like, I'll let you know as soon as I get it.
That's been doing that for a couple of days. I don't know what it could be. Probably a hair tickling him or something. Aw. What's the matter? You okay?
A little bit of tape for you doing our lady.
Are you okay? George, he's like, well, I'm on my perch over here. Deciding if I want to dash out later or not.
The pride of Ashland Court.
Yeah, no kidding. He's like Simba over there. My little lion kitty. Hello, Miss Lion Cat. Meow. Hi, baby. Buddy. Hi. Oh, hello, Mr. Teddy Bear. So today's Valentine's Day, and I knew that, but I totally didn't say Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. We just hung around here and, that's loud. We just hung around here and enjoyed being in the house after the blizzard this morning when we had to go out to the store. He's laughing at me over there because I told him to turn the phone down. It was loud music. So yeah, now the kids are at my parents', so we actually get to enjoy a couple hours of hangout time. You know, we might watch a movie or watch Fixer Upper. That's been our new favorite show recently. I'm addicted to Fixer Upper. I want Joe and Chip to come to my house, even though I have a new house.
Call out right now.
Joe and Chip,
This is call out.
you gotta come to my town and do a Fixer Upper, please. I mean, I love our new house that we built. It's awesome, but
Yeah,
you know,
hopefully for us.
it's always fun to build more or redo. I just love the thought of designing something again. So, we'll see if that ever happens. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching the vlog, and have a happy Valentine's Day, and we'll see you next time. Bye.